Alright guys, welcome to the beginning of the end of the garden. Now I say that because, well, it's getting rather barren again. It's continuing. I know I said that in a previous video, and I also said in a previous video that the frost was on its way, and well, those are the remaining peppers and tomatoes. There's still some on the vines. I don't know if I'm going to end up picking them or not. However, the peppers, everything that is remaining on these ones, I know you guys probably see the red. I've already picked them. They aren't very good. I don't know if you guys can see the discoloration on the peppers, but they are not very good. So I basically have picked everything that I would eat, and I guess maybe I might have missed this one here. This one actually doesn't look too bad, so I'll throw that one over there as well. So basically, I'll remove this stem here. Put that there. So I have been digging everything up. I've just been using a spade. Again, remove all the dirt from the roots, right? Covered that in a previous video. Basically, dig it in. Uproot the plant. Get all the roots loosened up, right? And, yeah. And then remove it, right? We all know that. So that's what I'm doing with all the plants now that have been basically produced all the vegetables that they're going to. Tomatoes I'll leave until probably the very last. The pepper plants I'm going to remove very shortly. And as you can see, no squash. 2 orange pumpkins have been picked. This one is remaining. It's yellowing on the bottom. I don't know if that one or this other green one are going to be any good, but I will find out probably in the next week, which is actually the final week of October. And as well, no spaghetti squash. And this is what I pulled out. Cut everything off. Used those types of shears. Now, spaghetti squash, because I'm new to it, I don't know. I mean, they look pretty nice. Pumpkin have a little bit of the spotting on them from the frost. However, as you guys can probably see, the butternut squash got the worst of it, unfortunately. So I just said, time to pull a plug. So that's why I pulled everything. That'll be the video. Basically, me just pulling all these lovely squash, pumpkin, and spaghetti squash out. I will end up giving you guys an update when we cook them, just to let you know how they taste, because I know that even though they're not technically ripe, they will taste okay. These pumpkins should be completely fine, but because I'm not familiar with the squash all that much, then that will be kind of a continuation of the experiment. This is for anyone who is interested. These are some of the roots that came off of the butternut squash. Now, I'm sure you guys can't see all of them, but look at these roots. These were probably several feet long, and I had to cut them up. It's crazy. And for those of you who stayed until the end of the video, I'm going to play a little game here. Guess in pounds how many butternut squash are in this box. Whoever guesses the correct amount or is the closest will get a shout out in a future video. So, guess the pounds, I'll weigh the box and I'll let you guys know who is closest or guesses it exactly.